This course is brought to you by AppyPie as part of our Academy series.
In the previous video, I talked about how to get your app URL to rank in Google, as you can see right here with this example. In this video, I'm going to talk about how to get your website URL to rank in Google. So the website URL, I'll show you, and I'm doing the search best Android business plan app, and you can target see with your website. Unlike your app listing, which only has one listing, your website blog or website your homepage, you can target additional keywords that you're going to rank in Google. So you can see this long tail search I'm targeting in Google search, and right here this is my blog that's ranking for that. When I click on this blog post, we'll go through a few elements that make it rank in search. So for example, I have a lot of content here. It's relatively rich because I also have an embedded video, and I use the main keywords in the title here, and also the title and description meta tags are set also to use these keywords. If I show you view page source and I do Control F on the title tag, you will see that I'm trying to reusing the same keywords here, and the description meta tag I'm also reusing the similar keywords here. And that's how you can get a number of your blog posts to rank for relevant longer tail searches and get traffic to your blog post, and then from that funnel them to download your apps.